CDW is a leading technology solutions provider, but more than that, we make technology work so that people can do great things.
The summer internship program is a 10-week experience where we are really focusing on setting you up for success for your career post-graduation. As an intern here at CDW, you are given so many opportunities to continue to develop your skills throughout the course of the summer that you'll be able to take with you once you complete the internship program.
For week one, we bring the interns in, we fly them all in to Chicago, and we have them here for a week. We do a lot of networking events with them, professional development. We want them to end the week feeling prepped and ready for the rest of their summer at CDW.
We have our interns fully immersed in CDW. So we are giving you a full exposure into our culture, our commitment to talent, and ultimately building you to be successful future coworkers here.
Coming in with that willingness to learn is the biggest thing, and being open to being uncomfortable really is the biggest thing, because it's all new. Everything you're going to be doing in your summer internship here is new.
The first thing I tell the interns when I meet them, don't think that we can't learn from you either. They're bringing an entirely separate skill set right from where they're learning, all different colleges throughout the US. So not only the excitement that they bring, but we're learning from them as well.
What's amazing about CDW's internship program is that it cultivates the talent of the future. Whether our interns go on to be fantastic sellers or leaders within our organization, it leaves a lasting impact on their career as well as their future.
We really immerse our interns into a real-life experience so they get to see the people that they would eventually work with or work for or work next to. But they also get access to the broader CDW culture, broader CDW team, and all things that make CDW a world-class place to learn and earn.
Since my time being here, I've been just encouraged to continue growing and learning. And that's what I see our interns getting to experience, is being surrounded by those folks that are there to just continue uplifting them and growing them.
It's a great place to learn, it's a great place to network, and it's a great place to start a career.